toast?
He's toast.
I would.
Ooh, doggy.
Are you sure he's dead?
Well, we're gonna make sure once we get it finished, filleted. Let me get a picture
Oh
of him,
my
Daddy.
goodness. Ooh-wee.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's good.
Oh my God.
Now, isn't that something?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's toast. Well, I got a good picture of him there too.
Mm.
But I think you're right. He's dead.
Wow, he is gone with the wind. Memorial Day.
Take him out there in that field.
Get a picture
Yeah,
of me,
he's
Jackson.
got a
Hold it.
diamond-shaped heart.
Yeah, which over?